We have red pea soup, we have pumpkin soup, and you name the type of soup, fish soup, any soup.
Tell me so.
I got it there.
So I'm to kong soup and them soup there.
You must say every soup. And that
Me
just say,
that me want
you just
here.
leave it out because there's so many soup.
That would draw me fast and come here.
Just make sure say you make yesterday your spot on a Friday. Yeah, anyway you're there, you need soup spot. Just you know if you take home, you find my spot. You see me? Tell her one for tell her one.
Right, that's the thing there. Here one. You just make sure say kong soup there this Friday. So me I say, cause me a forward.
Yeah man. May I make sure put that on the menu this Friday.
So tell me something. Well, last year from Bev or see Bev.
Well, you know, so the last time we were from her, she say a country she go spend a weekend.
Spend a weekend? I mean, no, say no, she alone I go there, say, you know. I must she and the next man. Yo, she never tell you nothing about the youth.
Youth? You mean your youth?
Yeah, my youth. It can't be nobody else youth.
Calm down.
What you mean calm down?
Trevor, I feel like I need to go do a little check on that.
What kind of check?
Trevor, no say me say, you know. That's Christ.
Oh, me got
You know see what I go on. My country, you know see what I go on. I feel like I need to go check out that. What you feel like?
Check out what?
If the pitney a yarn.
Amiga, how you really say? Am my youth that?
I know me say so, Trevor. You just need to go check it out.
You know, say, me I go take your advice and deal with it.
Yes, sir.
Me I go take your advice.
And remember, Trevor, I don't really tell you nothing. I know me. I never mean tell you nothing. Trevor, I never me tell you nothing. Remember that.
Mega, don't worry yourself, man.
Omega.
Don't worry yourself. Everything good. You see what I say?
The way you
No.
behave, Trevor.
No, this is between me and her.
No,
And the youth.
Just go check it out.
Your name won't call.
Alright.
Sweetheart.
That's all I want to know, you know. Look at his father. Trevor. Trevor, I just want to remind you. I never mean tell you nothing. But I just want to make you know. You see, when you run in or jump in, after you jump out, another man jump in. You understand? Like it's like a room for rent. You know that style, eh? I see that.
Mega, I rate you still, you know. But all along, you know say them thing you are going. And you just a tell me, even though me myself know say she lose. Me never know say I so lose she did lose.
The last kickball. But here what me know. I know my business that. I meet a girl where I always just stay in my lane, me no pay people mind, but me hear it. And me just make you know.
Give thanks to make me know this, see?
Yeah man.
Let me tell you this. This not change nothing between me and you. You see what I say?
So Trevor, so you just a run so. You didn't even make me know what I go on your side. What really I go on.
Why, Omega? Everything good on my side, you know. I have a little place where I run off down you attend there. Place named Caldo Tours. Yeah. And Camila deal with it, you see it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So you settle down with Camila now. Good, settle down.
Yeah, and talking this and talking that, you know. I have something I need for go deal with for you right now too, you know. So, here one. Omega. We link. See it? Dress up yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Hello, Patrice. Listen, that me I go deal with right now. Me I go deal with it right now. Yeah, man. When me deal with it, me make you know. Alright. We talk.